App Store. Today we will take a look at the Shopify App Store. Okay, once we are there, I want you to navigate to Applications right over there by Apps. And I'm gonna wait. I'm still with you. It took long, I know it. But I'm still with you. Okay, right over here, I will click on Visit Shopify App Store on this blue button. Okay, I will wait. Okay, right over here you see different applications. This is just a quick view to give you an overview about the applications. You can use Oblo for drop shipping, or My Online Fashion by CC Fashion, or you can use so many applications, but I will show you in this course the best one. I'm not gonna do this in this lecture. I'm gonna do that in a later lecture, so we can discover all the great apps in Shopify. And I will put a link in the resources so you can visit the App Store too. I'm gonna search now for dropshipping. The word says it, drop the shipping. So that's the drop shipping. So you don't need to ship items and all over the world. I'm all gonna explain that to you later. You see here that Oblo is very popular, and you see here that Modelist is very popular. We're gonna install those apps in a later lecture, and this is just to give you a quick overview about the applications that we got and the opportunities that we got. So I'm gonna go to the next page. So here you see Printful. I will make a whole course about that in the future. And yeah, these are probably all the apps, so feel free to look around. And I'm gonna take my top 5 and I'm gonna show it to you soon in later lectures. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.